Hi everyone, welcome back to edquest. I am your instructor. In previous session, we have successfully deployed the MLflow UI using Docker and Python virtual environment. Let's take a look at the interface. You will be working with the track your machine learning experiments. This is the MLflow tracking UI, the center place to monitor and manage your ML experiments. Let's go to the running MLflow UI. So this is MLflow tracking UI. In the left sidebar, you see the experiment list. We see a list of all defined experiments. By default, MLflow creates one experiment called as default, which we are looking at now. You can create new experiments from here with plus icon. Across the top, we have tabs like Run, Evaluation, and Traces. The Run tab is where all training runs get listed. This view gives a summary of each run including metrics, parameters, source and more. Main panel is Run Details. Currently we haven't logged any runs, so it says no runs logged. Once you start logging experiments using the MLflow Python API, they will appear here with full traceability. There is an option of search and filter. You can search and filter runs based on metrics, tags, status or time. This is useful when you are experimenting with many models. So you can also manually start a run or trigger using the plus new run button on the right, although this is more common via automation. This is a lightweighted, powerful UI. It helps teams to track model performance over time, compare experiments, and even manage model versioning when integrated with MLflow model registry. In the next video, we will share store ML model in MLflow model registry. Thank you. See you in next one.